Hey, what's going on, everybody? I finally made it out to Water Street Waffles here in Belton, Texas. We're gonna find out today what they're working with. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm out here at the Water Street Waffle Company here in Belton, Texas, and I decided to try their breakfast platter. On this breakfast platter, I have scrambled eggs, turkey sausage, and hash browns. Along with that, I also decided to try their strawberry and cream waffle and their blueberry lemon waffle. With that, I'm not gonna take up a whole lot of your time. Let's go ahead and let's dig in and let's see what they're working with. I'm gonna start out first with the hash browns, or the tater tots. So let's see what these tater tots are tasting like. Okay, the tater tots is pretty good. They're crunchy. They're seasoned well. I'm liking these tater tots. All right, let's dig into this turkey sausage and let's see what we're working with. Oh, this turkey sausage is on point. It's seasoned well. It's moist. It's very flavorful. I'm not sure what they season this turkey sausage with, but it has a little sweet taste to it, as well as the seasoning. I'm not sure what the seasoning is, but I do like the flavor of this turkey sausage. I'm liking this turkey sausage. I'm not gonna do a whole lot on scrambled eggs. Hey, this scrambled eggs. But you didn't come here for that breakfast platter. You came here to find out what this strawberry and cream waffle was working with and this lemon blueberry waffle. I'm gonna start out first with the strawberry and cream. Let's dig into this bad boy and let's see what we're working with.
Oh yeah,
Okay, the waffle. I'm liking the strawberry and cream waffle. The waffle is moist. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and get a little cream in this too, so I can give you the whole scoop. But a combination of the light waffle, the cream, the strawberry drizzle, and the strawberries itself, I'm liking the strawberry and cream waffle. So if you're out here in the Belton area, come on over here to Water Street Waffle Company and try out this strawberry and cream waffle. It's on point. I'm loving it. Can't get enough. Now, if you come out here on a Saturday, you might have a little wait. Saturday is a very popular day. The wait could be 15, 20 minutes long. Might be 15, 20 minutes before you get the food. But it's well worth the wait. All right, let's move on to this blueberry lemon waffle and let's see what we work with. As you can see, got plenty of blueberries on it. You see the lemon flavor, you see the lemon, and you also see the cream. So let's dig into this bad boy and let's see what we're working with. Oh, this lemon blueberry waffle is on point. It is fire. I like this better than the strawberry and cream. The blueberries are sweet and tangy. The waffle is light, and that cream on the top just sets it off. I highly recommend this blueberry lemon waffle. I can't get enough. With the little lemon sauce added to it, gives it good flavor. It's a good combination. This blueberry lemon waffle, probably gonna be my favorite. So if you're out here in the Belton area, make sure you stop over to Water Street Waffles here in Belton. Try their breakfast platter and try out some of their waffles. I'm sure you will be pleased with whatever you get. With that, this is Stu, your food delivery junkie. I'm out. Peace.